Okie dokie, here we go. It's day 18, nearly there. Here we go. Day 18 is indeed, as I said, a Crimbamus tree. I'm hoping it will fit in the middle of the train that we built in the last one, but we will see. Right, Marvel. What you got for me, day 18, Marvel? We've got a table with pizza and cookie and a cup. Okay, right, festive-ish. Festive-ish, is that a word? It is now. Okay, Star Wars. What have you got for me, Star Wars? It's yet another ship. If you wanted lots and lots of micro ships from Star Wars, you'd be happy. Not me, I want to celebrate Christmas, but there you go. Right, 18 City is a reindeer with Santa's sleigh in micro form. Awesome. Okay, that's good. Right. Yes, you know the score. Gonna be building it. First thing I'm gonna build is the tree, because I'm curious to see if this fits with the tree. We'll see. I'll see you in a bit. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Okay, Harry Potter tree does indeed fit, hey, with the train. So that's awesome. I like that. That's very, very cool. Ooh. There we go. So I like the fact they put the Santa hat on as the tree ornament. That's kind of different. But there you go, there's that one. And then the city build of the reindeer with the sleigh is kind of cute. If you like cute stuff like me, it's kind of cute. I like it. I like his nose, although it should be red. So I'm going to change that right now. Apparently, it's a copyright thing, having red noses on a reindeer. Hence why they don't put red noses on any Lego reindeers. There's an interesting fact for you. But just so happens I have a red piece. So I don't care. So now he's as he should be. Rudolph is complete. Cool. Marvel. Yeah, okay. Pizza with a cookie and a mug and a bench. Nothing too exciting, and yet another wonderful super duper ship for Star Wars. And that's about your lot for that one. Good job. Right, okay, Rudolph's got his right nose on. I'm happy. This was day 18. I'm now going to be doing day 19. I'll see you in a bit. I hope you're enjoying the time leading up to Christmas. If you're excited about as Christmas as I am, I love Christmas. It's cool. It's a good time of the year. See you in a bit.